What's up guys, this is Nikhil from fadetech and today we will be going to learn how to install Duet Display for free. So as you can see here, the Duet Display is for 1200 rupees. It's a huge amount and it is just a 9.7 MB file, just a bit of piece. So I will be showing you how to install it for free. Just go to any of your browser, just type iOS hipstore.mobi. You will be automatically redirected to this page. Just search for your item which you want to install. Here I am going to install Duet Display. It will automatically redirect to your page. So as you can see here, it will automatically take you to your place where you want to install it. So just hit download now. It will process and ask you for the jailbroken application or non-jailbroken. So my tab is not jailbroken, so I will be going with non-jailbroken. So just wait for it. It might take some time to read your iOS version. I am running on 9.3.5. Maybe, I don't know yours. It's taking a bit time for it. I will be back as soon as it's completed. So as you can see here, you are redirected to this page. Just hit download now. It might take some time to read your iOS. Now you get an option for regular download and very high speed download. I personally say it's the same. You go for very slow or very high. I should say you should go for very high, but it will ask you to open this page on App Store. Just hit open and close your window. You will automatically see it will be coming here. Wait a minute. Yeah, just hit install. So as you can see here, it's installing. It might take some time to install cause it will be installing your drivers for it. So I will be back as soon as it's completed. So as you can see here, it's showing unable to download. So here is a hack, or you can say a trick to install it. Just hit retry, go to your settings, go to general, select your date and time, set this off, make it about 2 years back. I'm going to do this for 4 years, no problem with that. Just go back, hit Duet Display again, it will automatically start installing. And now it will be successfully installed. So no problem with that. After this, there is a very important step. You have to trust that application. So I will be showing when it's completed. So now as you can see, it's installed. So I am just going to click it. It will say the important step, untrusted and enterprise developer. So just cancel it. Go back to your settings. Go to general. Here you can see device management. Just hit it. Go to the option. Just hit trust. Just hit this trust button. Hit trust. Now I'm sorry guys, I have to do it. I have to skip that part. Now I will tell you what to do. As you hit general, there will be an option to verify it. Just hit verify. If it's showing failed, go back to general, date and time, set automatically, then go back to device management, then verify. It will be verified. Now just clean all your background apps and just restart your iPad once more. It might take some time because you have installed a new driver to your iPad. So as you can see, now it's started. Just hit Duet and you will be on it. So what's saying about it? And an important thing, do not update this app. Do not, I say again, or you have to install the newest version from App Store and then do it. I tell you guys, do not update it. As you can see here, you have to sign up for it. I've already signed up. Just you have to hit connect. Going back to your PC, as you can see here, my Mac display is fluctuating. Now you can see I'm using my Duet app on my Mac machine. It's very simple. So if you guys like this video, please like and do subscribe. Thank you.